Hey, what's up guys? Clay from Epic Tech here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the RX 6800. What did he say? Yes, the RX 6800. You may be asking yourself, why did I buy a graphics card from the last generation? Because it's on sale, man. When it first came out, I think it was like $799. I picked it up for $389. Plus, it's got 16 gigabytes of VRAM. And it's a 1440p beast. This graphics card has bigger muscles than Arnold Schwarzenegger. Guaranteed. So as you're looking at the box for this graphics card, you're gonna be like, oh my God, this thing is freaking huge. And you are right. Because I think this specific card, I think it's 13 and a half inches or so. I think so 340 millimeters. So you're going to need a really big computer case to put this in. You need a full-size ATX. I think it'll barely fit in my case too. So like I said, it is a triple fan card. It's a big boy. Like look at this thing. I'll compare it to my arm. Oh my God. So one of the top competitors within the price range is the RTX 4060 Ti. And that only has 8 gigabytes of VRAM. You know, it is from this generation, but for the same amount of money, you can get the RX 6800 and double the VRAM. So, f you, NVIDIA. Another reason why I went with AMD, I love their software. It's much better than NVIDIA's. The driver updates, they come out pretty regularly now. Everything on the back end seems to be fixed. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So really, when you think about it, AMD versus NVIDIA, nowadays, there's not really much of a competition. It's more of a pricing structure. AMD wins on the value side. All right, well, I guess that's enough talking about the graphics card. Let's open it and install it. So now that we've unboxed it, let's go over some things that are specific to this GPU. We got two 8-pin power plugs. We got an overclock and a silent switch. And we've got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Don't forget, it's a triple fan card, so it's going to stay cool while you're gaming. So you can be cool too. Now, let's install it into our computer. Oh yeah! So just for a quick size comparison, oh my God. This is you, and this is the guy she tells you not to worry about. This is what it looks like with it installed. I barely have any room on that side compared to the fan. And I do have a pretty big computer case. So be wary if you're going to buy this. Make sure your measurements are correct. And then that it's going to fit. Let's go turn this thing on, see if it works, run some benchmarks. Then we'll wrap up the video. So, as you can see, the RX 6800 from AMD, it's a freaking beast, bro. I highly recommend it. Go pick one up on Amazon. They're super cheap right now compared to when they came out. And once again, this is Clay from Epic Tech. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And have an epic day.